there. You see what is that? It's a skull. That's a warning.
Okay, okay.
Make sure the light is good.
Yeah.
Welcome to my village. What's your name?
Alwin. Saya Alwin.
Where are you from?
Saya Francis.
My name is Aki. I am the son of the chief here. I hope that you come here to be happy and to learn about my people. Accept me to come here. We have coffee prepared by the lady. She's your barista for today. She serves you a traditional native coffee.
Traditional coffee.
They are known as Tenom coffee. And over on the other side here is steamed tapioca. They actually go very well because mostly coffees goes well with like a cake or like a biscuit, but this type of coffee is more to fruits, something like that, very different. So try, yeah.
Is this fruit?
This is a tapioca. Actually.
Tapioca.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I did not expect that.
As you go through it, it's
Flour
getting less
taste?
fiery, yes, and they are nice.
Good.
Huh?
That's good coffee. That's very good.
It's time for us to move to the center. We are going to see a traditional game. Have a seat. Tanggal is the only native that have this in Borneo. The other natives don't have this. This is called by the native lansaran. Lansaran is a traditional trampoline. Actually, it's a trampoline. It's a trampoline. What makes the floor bouncy is the wood underneath that arranged. They are known as jambu. They are what makes the floor bouncy actually. And the objective of the trampoline is to use this to jump up and catch prize.
Really?
Hanging at the top, yes, very high. It actually can go.
We're gonna catch something up there.
They can actually go even more and more and more higher. And
But you need to jump really, really high.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah. Just have a look first. After this, you will make a demonstration.
They're gonna show us first.
Yes, they show you how they play. On arrival. Oh. Dia buat macam mana?
Ada.
Okay.
In the middle?
Yeah. They are going to teach you. Don't remove it. It's much better you wear them. The first thing that you need to do is you need to follow this rhythm of this trampoline. Stick to the floor and follow the rhythm. We're gonna try see if you can do it. Ready? The first try. 1, 2, jump!
Oh, yeah, timing, yeah.
1, 2, jump!
That was wild.
How's your leg?
So good.
Oke. So, tinggal persembahan pula.